Hello everyone, my name is warriorofpokes, and guess what I got in the mail today? Ooh. That's my excited voice right there. Oh, and I needed to gulp. So, what did I get in the mail today? Well, you've probably heard, you've probably not heard actually, I don't think I've uploaded it yet, but I'm getting some RAM. So I've already got RAM, it's right there. Here, I'll zoom out. It's right there. And there's my arm. We're not going to see any more of that. You can see more of my hands. Here you go. Yeah. I have very skinny arms. But that's what you see. You didn't come to see my arms. You came to see, hopefully see, the unboxing, the unpackaging really, it's not even in a box, of my RAM. And for me to struggle to put it into my computer, which is there on the floor, kind of derping out. So, yeah, you're doing. So, this is going to be really hard with one hand, considering how I have to look at the camera. Actually, it's just my Mars Blackberry. I don't actually have a camera. Oh, this is really hard. Maybe I'll just cut it out and something, and I'm actually doing more damage where my knee is rather than this is really hard. Here, there's not even much I can do here. I wanna, here you can get like first-hand experience of someone trying to open up a package with one hand. So, the RAM I got was 8 gigs of crucial memory. It's been recommended by their own website, so expect them to be very biased. And you can see my carpet. It's a very colourful carpet. Here, I'll zoom out. Over there, that's my external hard drive that I recently got. I didn't recently get it, it's a few years old, but I'm recently using it myself. There is a Pringles thing, if I could zoom in. It doesn't allow me to zoom in on Pringles in my bin. My desk, it's a lot less messier. I used to have a lot of crap over here, like my phone, this cleany thing, more wires. My graphics tablet used to be there, but I moved it recently, like 10 minutes ago there. I don't even know why I'm showing you this. I had like a crap ton of money on my desk, and underneath my freaking keyboard and everything. So there's 2 packs of 4 gigs. Getting into these will be fun. Look at that packaging. Hell yeah. Oh no! No, it's okay. Look. I'm gonna need someone else to help do this. This is the worst camera. The worst camera. Oh no, there we go. There we are, we have a piece of paper. It says, slot it in and push. Like nothing else, really. Crucial. Please sponsor me when I get more RAM. You're probably not going to sponsor me. This is really hard to do with one hand, I'm sure that piece of paper is the same as the previous one I just read. This is going to be a lot longer. Yeah, it's already 5 minutes. Wow, I haven't even opened up my RAM yet. Alright, so here is my RAM. I believe it goes in this way or something. Oh well. Here is my Mac. It is 21.5 inch iMac thing. I think it's the 2011 late model or something. No, early model. I don't even know. So this is what we do now. We screw drive in some screwdrivers. so I did see in a couple videos what the hell you're meant to do. And look, these bolts don't come out. If you can see the bolts, ooh, don't come out because there's a stupid washer there. It is really dusty in there. I don't know if you can see that. Hold on. There we go. I'm gonna try and do this real quick. There's a tab. There's a tab. I think it has like 4 places you can shove stuff in. I don't even know what you do. I don't even know what I'm trying to do here. Alright, so where is my... there it is. It doesn't even... Using firm even pressure, push dim into socket and go until clip snap. So, continuing on from last time, I worked it out. You just need to pull really hard on these. So now we can put these in and stuff. All 4 of them in, 12 gigs of memory, look at me boast. Oh, now we tuck in those tabs, and we screw this thing on. I'm going to do that after, but I'm just going to put that on first, so I don't need to do it then. Thanks for watching, guys. Really, you've been a great help. See you in the next video. Yeah. Bye.